The verb be has two forms in the past tense. Was and were. Was for singular nouns and were for plural nouns. I was. He was. She was. It was. You were. We were. They were. I met my future wife when I was in high school. I think we were on the same plane. My boss was angry when he found out that we lost a major client. In questions, be and the subject changed places. Were you angry when she accused you? Where were you last night? How old was Mike when he had his first job? In negative, we use was not or wasn't, and were not or weren't. She can't know what happened because she wasn't even there. He wasn't very excited about the field trip to the desert. Okay, let's move on to the next episode. Stay tuned.